Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadget again. Today I'll be showing you how to monitor how you spend time on your phone. Some of us are addicted to our phones, but we don't know, we can't identify it. So I'll be showing you how to navigate that to track time of how much time you spend on each time. This would help you coordinate how effectively you use your phone. If you are wasting so much time on either uh WhatsApp, Instagram, or any form of social media, all you need to go to is I'm using a Xiaomi Note 7 Pro, so this is applicable for all Xiaomi phones. I will try and do a video for Samsung and upload it. This video is purpose is to increase your productivity. Now you go to your settings. Okay, you go to settings on your phone, then under that search bar just type digital well-being and parental control. This digital well-being and parental control is for you to be able to monitor what time you spend on the apps. Now in the circle is going to tell you the total time you spent on your phone. So far good today, as at 8:47 a.m. by my time, I spent 36 minutes on my phone, and the sweetest part is I spent 36 minutes on the clock. Probably maybe I was setting an alarm, I was checking something, and I spent some minutes on Sweatcoin and other apps. So this thing, the reason why you basically don't find it on your phone is because the brands don't give it opportunity to come pre-install. So you go here, there is a way you can turn it on. Okay, there's a way you can turn the it will show. Okay, it says scroll down, then it says shows icon in app list. When you put this on, we'll be talking about parental controls later, probably when your child picks up your phone and you don't want them to see something. If you really want to know further more about time you spend on each app, you can click on the circle, then it's going to give you a chart. On Monday it says I spent 4 hours on my phone, 4 hours 30 minutes. Then on Tuesday it says 2 hours. So it's literally going to tell you how much hour you spend. So, and it's going to give you breakdown of hours you spend on each app. You can see on Thursday I spent so much time on Twitter among the 4 hours I used. On Monday I spent a lot of time on Twitter. On Tuesday Twitter sent a code. So that Twitter is one of the apps I visit most on my phone. So the moment we toggle this show icon app list on, you can go back to your phone and scroll, then you see it here. You can easily access it from here and follow the process to know. Then you can curb the time you spend on phone. Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope this short video is going to help increase your productivity, and you can track the time you spend on your phone so you don't get addicted to it. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.